What is up, reelers? Welcome to On the Reel Fishing. Today, all of our fishing plans lie on this one box today. We'll be checking out the Plusinno 404 piece tackle box set. This thing is loaded. It's got a bunch of different types and styles of fishing. We're going to concentrate as on many as we can today. There goes a bass right there. Kind of excited already. So let's go get on the reel. Let's go try to check this out and see if we can't catch any fish today. Hold on tight. Let's go. Inside this kit here, you guys get a chance to take a look there. All kind of stuff. We got stick worms, we got curly tails, we got paddle tails. Excited about all of these up here on the top. Bottom row, you got a bunch of extra stuff. Kind of makes, we got a spinner bait in here, jigs, crankbaits, micro hooks. If you're into doing this micro fishing, you got plenty of drop shot and micro hooks there. We even have topwater frog. So spinner baits, all kind of stuff in here. Look at there, rooster tails, poppers, anything you could think of. Those are clips. So tons of stuff here. So everybody's gonna be using as much as we can out of this box today to try to catch some fish and see what happens. There we go. Okay, he's a better fighter, but those look like he's about the same size after that jump. Much better fighter. Goodness, look at that pole. He's fighting so good. All right. Okay. I think he might have figured out the pattern now. It's not that they aren't biting. It's not biting where I'm expecting them to. A little bit bigger guy there. A few casts later. Awesome fish. Hey, buddy. So we're gonna put back on the little paddle tail here again. See if we can find anything stacked up. Obviously a little bit bigger presentation. The only thing I'm worried about is getting snagged. These little jig heads are pretty heavy. See? Whoop, whoop. There we go. There we go. Got another one on. There we go. Yay. Got one on the paddle tail. Oh, nice one. Come on, buddy. Different day, different conditions. What do we got? Can't even tell. Is it a smallie? Or something different? Oh, yeah. It's a nice size smallie. Look at there. Right off those rocks. Right in the top of the nose, as it should be. There we go. Oh, he's got a nice strong jaw. Beautiful smallmouth. Biggest one of the day. Sweet, thank you, sir. Kind of get a good line right along these rocks. Oh, there we go. Oh, had one right there at the rocks. Right through this little area a couple times. Yep. That's what we do. Oh yeah. Burned it through that little fast little section of water there. Sure enough, biggest one of the day, I think. Right there in that water. Alrighty. Sweet. Okay. Nice. Awesome, buddy. Thank you, sir.